my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. I just put some lip balm on my lips. Welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Do you guys ever get tired of your background? I get tired of mine all the time. I'm never satisfied. Christmas background, this background, plain background, I'm just never happy with it. So I do have a different angle. So let's see how long I'm going to keep this one for. So I'm going to be doing my eyebrows today. And let me just show you my favorite eyebrow pencils. This one is from Revlon. This is really nice and I like this one really, really well. This is for dark skin, okay? This is what this one looks like, really, really lovely. And of course it has the brush to the end, one of my favorites. This is from Maybelline. This is an ultra slim. This is also a good brow pencil as well. Matches my brows really, really well. Matches my skin. And this one from NYX is also a good one as well. And I love this one. It has like a flat shape to the top. Okay, a little bit flat to the top. And it is really nice like that. And to me, the worst eyebrow pencil I've ever purchased were these from Benefit. These pencils, you do not get a good bang for your buck with these. They are a total waste of money and waste of time. And the tub is too big. And one of the things I noticed with these is that you don't get a good bang for your buck. When you open these up and you look at the pencil on the inside, you don't really get much. You don't really get much at all because you do have the tension rods in here. And when you look at the pencil, I'm thinking like, what are you getting in here? You're not really getting anything much. Plus, when you wind this up too much, it breaks. So you're basically wasting your pencil. So when you get this, you just have to make sure that you wind it up as low as you can, because if you wind it up too much, it's going to break and it's not a good buy. And I think Benefit should really get rid of this. It's not my favorite at all. And so I am going to be using this 24-hour tattoo brow pomade from Maybelline. I just recently purchased this one and I will definitely get my brows done before the end of the year. And I'll take you guys along with me. I keep promising to do this. And the Tall Black Chick, whenever I watch her videos, I always stare at the brows. I'm thinking, that girl got some really killer brows. And I think she got them microbladed. So I am thinking about doing that myself. So let's just get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty powder and I'm going to just take a little bit of this. I'm going to use a sponge and I'm just going to put a little bit of this over my brows. Not too much, just a little bit. I'm doing this brow tutorial because way back when somebody had asked me to do a brow tutorial and I said no, because sometimes I just draw a line and I go. So I'm going to be using this brow brush. This came in the September Boxy Charm. These brushes, there were three. The retail price for these brushes were I think $60 and you only get 3 of them, and I thought, what are these brushes made from? Anywho, so this is my brow pomade and I just basically start from where my hair is growing, because I remember one time I went into Sephora and there was one girl, she was so sweet, she goes, why are your brows looking like that? She said, let me do your brows for you. She said, put your brows on the way the hair is growing. Don't be starting from the middle of your face. She said, do you have hair growing in the middle of your face? And I was like, no. She said, but why are you doing your brows from there? Which makes sense. So, on this side, the brow grows a little bit differently to this one. So I usually start from the top and I go across. And this is if I'm really taking my time to do my brows. Okay, I will do a straight line like so. And then I'm not going to start from here, but I'm just going to start from the inside and I'm just going to work my way down. And I'm just going to curve this to the side, just like so. And like again, this isn't a good day when I'm doing my brows, okay? So we're going to bring this down. And I'm going to just connect the ends. And then I'm just gonna go from the middle really, really lightly back to the top and just blend it in. So I'm just going to use a sharper end to the brush, and if I feel like kind of going up like this, it may or may not work, but then I'm just going to keep it kind of square to the front. And just bring it down. Okay, so I don't want it to be too wide to the front, but I'm just going to use the concealer and fix that. I'm now going to take my NW45 concealer from MAC. I'm going to take another brush, which is a clean one, and I'm just going to try and just clean it up a little bit. And I'm just going to take my Revlon brow pencil and just make this a little bit lighter to the front, just like so. Take my sponge and I'm just going to blend it out. And this is my brow on a good day. Like seriously guys, this is my brows on a good day, because like I said, you know, it takes patience for me to get the brows looking good. Okay, so not bad at all. So let me just work on the other side. And like I said, the hair on this side of my brows grows totally different to this one. And again, this is like on a good day, okay? When I'm so tired and fed up of doing the brows properly, I just, one line and I'm done. So again, and I use this one as a guide, okay? So again, I just start from the top and I just draw this line across. Let me just remove this piece of hair from the way. Back to this brush just to make the front a little bit lighter. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the concealer. Okay, so this is my brow done. When I really take my time to do it properly, because like I said, on a really good day when I'm taking my time, they look okay, but then normally they don't. So this really takes a lot of time, and of course you have to have the right tools, and they don't look too bad. I am just going to probably bring this one down just a little, just like so. And to me, they look good. What do you guys think? I'm just looking at myself in my viewfinder. It looks pretty good. And yeah, these are the brows done. Looks pretty neat. And there is the brow tutorial. But like I said, I'm gonna definitely get my brows done before the end of the year, and you guys, I'm gonna take you along with me because I won't have to use these things anymore. Anywho, the brow pomade from Maybelline is really good. I don't have my glasses on, but I think this is the one for dark skin. This is, it's a dark shade. I think it's called dark brown. And this is NW40 concealer that I use under the brows to just make it a little bit more defined, and that looks really good. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending this little time with me today. I do appreciate it. Please thumbs up this video if you do like it. Thanks for watching. My name is Odette. See you next time. Bye.